girl Deiya, and I'm back with another lit video for you guys. Y'all already know when y'all click this video. Y'all already know when y'all click that subscribe button. It's about to be on and popping in this video. Y'all already seen this house down below what we about to do. We about to do my 5 top hairstyles. My 5 top go-to hairstyles when I'm very lazy. When I'm making my way to school in the morning time. Because, girl, who's waking up at 6 o'clock in the morning to look cute all the time? To lay down their hair all the time? Not me, boo. Not me. So I'm going to be showing you guys my top go-to hairstyles that I do on an everyday basis. Sometimes, all the time. Alright. I do it all the time, y'all. Not even gonna lie. But of course, before we do hop into this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn that post notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs up for your girl. If you don't follow me on my social medias, that will be at the end of the video. It will be on the screen in the description down below. So go follow that, go add that, go do all that good stuff, like, comment, and of course, mainly don't forget to follow my hair page at Hairsdeiya. That's HAIRSDIYA. And let's hop right into this video. One of the many hairstyles that I do like to do are high puffs, but I feel like I already gave you guys that tutorial, so why should I come on here and why should I do it again? Like, let's do something different. So besides the high puff, we are gonna get into some really cute hairstyles that you can do. I'm gonna bedazzle it up with some jewels right here, and we about to look cute. You about to look cute, I'm about to look cute. We about to look cute, period. Like, all my friends, all my Deiya family, all of y'all gotta look cute. We're gonna look cute together, and that's a fact. So let's just hop right into this video, period. So that is officially the end of the video. Comment down below which hairstyle is your favorite. Besides doing a nice high puff when I do get lazy, these are my go-tos, these are my favorites. You know, I had to bedazzle it up with some jewels, you know, your girl had to look cute. But you already know what to do. You already know what's on and popping. Go down below, hit that subscribe button, turn that post notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs up for your girl. If you don't follow me on social media, like I said in the beginning, go follow my hair page on Instagram at Hairsdeiya. That's HAIRSDIYA. Go follow that, go comment, go like, go share, go do all that good stuff. And I love you guys, Deiya fam. See you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.